Here's some of the hives I'm managing. You got some high winds blowing in. So we're gonna have to strap down every single one of these. In this yard we have about 24. And the thing is, the wind gets howling so good out here that it blows the lid right off the hive. And then it rains in there and it kills the bees. So if you live in a place with high winds, even though it's moderate weather, maybe you want to strap down your hives, maybe add some weight, add some bricks on the top. Also, with high winds like this, you might want to put the minimal entrance on the reducer. I know it cuts down a little bit on ventilation, but that might be a good thing if you're getting 30, 40 mile an hour winds. The bees are doing pretty good here. We do treat them. We have to treat them with a little bit of Mite-Away quick strips of formic acid. This hive was on the fritz until we treated it. Now it's kind of bouncing back even this late in the year. They're propylizing their little gap. Yeah, but every single one of these hives has to be strapped down. But they're doing pretty good. The other thing we developed here is we kind of cut a trail in. There didn't used to be a trail. People used to come up through where those logs are and just kind of four-wheel it into the grass. So over the last year, we've gradually cut this trail in. One of my coworkers, Katie and Cyrus, and most recently some other employees too, we've been cutting this in. It makes it easy to get a beehive in with a dolly also, so you don't have to carry it in the whole way. So then we put a little switch back past that hive, and then today we cut a new trail heading up here. So slowly developing, it's going to be kind of tiered. Cyrus spread a bunch of wildflower seeds all through here, kind of mulched up the grass, so it's going to start blooming real nice this spring, which is coming quick. Already halfway through December. We only have until March, and it's going to start becoming swarm season again. We can start doing splits and requeening. This guy. Sometimes I like to give him a little totem. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. We like to see how long it takes him to push him off. But anywho, we got things a little bit more organized over here. I brought this bench in. This is all our excess inventory from the summer. Honey that we either spun or it was frames that never got built out. So it's either wax comb or empty frames. And I packed dry ice, little trick. We'll see how it works, but I packed dry ice in those towers. And hopefully that cold air and carbon dioxide killed any kind of bugs, wax moths, or anything that might want to live in there. So anyway, this is the yard I manage over here. Hope you all are having a good day, and thanks for watching.